Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new lesson, and that name of that lesson is Can you see the pattern? Okay, in the last classes, in the class 4, class 3, class 2 and class 1, you have learned about the pattern. You can see here that here are some patterns. These are the number patterns. Okay, these are the shape patterns. These are also shape patterns. You can see there are various patterns are given. Okay, so now in this lesson we will learn more about this pattern. Okay, so in this lesson we will learn turn of pattern, rules of pattern, third one is types of pattern, fourth one is magic square, and fifth one is calendar magic. So let us start our lesson with the topic turn of pattern. Okay, we'll just check. Look at here. Now pattern. So what is pattern? How you can tell this is a pattern? The pattern is a series or a sequence that repeats. You can see here circle is here, then square, then again circle, then again square. Next step what will happen? Again circle, again square. So this is the one of the pattern is going on, circle square, circle square. In the second one example also, that first square having a pink color, this one having a pink color, then yellow color, then again pink, then again yellow, pink, yellow, pink. Am I right? So this is also a pattern. So here is a pattern is going on. Now we will discuss about the math pattern. So in the math patterns are the sequence that repeat based on a rule, and a rule is a set away to calculate or solve the problem. Means in the math pattern what you will find? Just look here, number is given 1 3. Okay, 1 3 5 7 and 9. You can see in this pattern, in this numbers there is certain pattern is going on. You can see here 1 after 3. So when we add 2 in number, we will get next number. Then again when we will add plus 2, we will also get 5. Then again we will add plus 2, then we will get 7, and when we add plus 2 again we will get 9. So here is one pattern is given going on. The next one is same is that number is 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, then 18, 21 and 24, so on. So you can see here is also one pattern is going on. So 3, then number is 6. So what is going on here? Here when we add 3 in 3, we will get number 6. Again when we add 6 plus 3, we will get next number. Again we will add plus 3, we will get 12. So here is also one pattern is going on. So in the maths there are some rules, and some rules we have to calculate to find a pattern. Okay, so next you can see turn of pattern. You can see here is a n is given. You can see the next step. You can see n is rotated. Okay, again it rotate, it looks like n. Again it rotate, it looks like z. Again it rotates, it looks like n. So here is one pattern is going like that. This n is getting turns, one turn, again one turn. So n turning to this become a z, then again n, then again z, and again n. In the second one you can see this is a pink color is here. Okay, and this look like a square, it is in here. But in the next step, look here, this from here to here it goes, means it is going on turning. Then again from it is here, in the next step you can see here it is here, means it turns from here to here. Then again in the next step you can see from here to here it turns, it come here. Again it turns from here to here and it come here. Okay, in the same way this pattern is going on, it is turning, you can see turns of pattern continuously. Now we have to find out which will be the next step. There are three given, this is first, second and third, three steps are given. So next step you can see here, this is a one of the pink color is here, then you can see it turns slightly, now here, then again here. So what will be next? It will be this part will be this portion. So here is a sun is given, so this will be the correct option. In the same way again you can see this circle is divided into two parts and one diameter is given here in the middle. You can see the next, in the next step diameter is here, means it turns from here to here. Okay, and this one also is turning, you can see. Now next step you can see it turns from here to here, then here it came, when we will turn it will become here. So next step what will be? So this will be the correct answer for this. Now you can see one is turning, it getting turn here, again it will be look same as first, so again it will look like this. So in this way we have to find out the pattern in the next step. Okay, now going to the next one. Now turns of patterns or rules of pattern. There are 4 rules of pattern we have to learn. The first rule is repeat with a 1/4 turn. You can see, first of all read this, look at this block, we have to make a 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the pattern. Now what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise? You can see here arrow is going on from here to here, means from right to left it is going, so that is clockwise. You can see, watch, when it will be 1 o'clock, so 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, so this is a clockwise. When it will be reverse like this, you can see here this is a reverse order, so it is a anti-clockwise, but we have to use here clockwise direction to turn the pattern. Now first rule is repeat it with 1/4 turn. Now suppose I have made this circle and you can see here there are some, I have divided into 4 equal part like this. Okay, I have divided 4 equal part, so you can see here I am making equal parts here like this. This one's also equal part. Now look at here, now our rule is repeat it 1/4 turn pattern. Now you can see here total number of parts are 4. Okay, now out of 4 parts we have to turn 1 part, means that is 1/4 turn, so we have to turn 1 time. So you can see here this pattern, these are the parts I am denoting here. Okay, these are the 4 parts. Now look, this portion when we turn to here it will become here, means from we have to turn this here to here, so it will be come here. You can see after turning the pattern this will become, then again we have to turn 1/4, then 1/4, means out of 4 part, now it is here, you can see from here to here we have to turn, means out of 4 parts we have to turn 1 part. So this portion will become to the here, means it is in downside. Now again we have to turn 1/4 part, 1/4, so out of 4 part we have to turn 4, so from here to here it will become like this. You can see this portion will come here, again 1/4 turn, this portion will come here, again this one, after taking 1/4 this portion will come here. So in this way our rule is repeat it 1/4 turn, means we have to repeat the pattern with 1/4 turn. Okay, now coming to the next point, repeat it with half turn. Now suppose this circle is divided into two equal parts. Half turn means 1 by 2. Okay, so out of two parts we have to turn the pattern one time. So these are the, suppose these are the two parts I am making. Okay, now only these are this first part and this is second part. Now look at the pattern, means from when I will turn this A directly to here, means out of two part I am turning here A, means here it will become A. Okay, again when I will turn half, this A will come again here. Okay, so you can see here this one part after turning half came downside. Again it will become upside after turning the half turn, again downside after the half turn, again upside after the half turn. So this is the rule, that repeat the pattern with half turn. Now our we are going to repeat it with 3 by 4 turn. You can see 3 by 4 turn means suppose 4 part, out of total number of part 4, and out of 4 parts we have to turn it 3 times, means part 1, part 2, part 3, and here part 4. Okay, now look at here, when I will just turn this A, what happen? A will turn 3 times, means this one turn, second turn and third turn, means A directly come to here in the place of D. Again I will turn one turn, second turn, and this is third turn, means in the next step it will become here. You can see here direct turning of pattern, means from here to here it is coming directly to here. Again here, again 3 by 4 turn. So this is the rule, that repeat it with 3 by 4 turn. Now next rule is, look at here, repeat it with 45 degree. As you know, you already told you that this clock is in 360 degree. Okay, means that this is 90 degree. When we divide equal, this will be 180 degree, this will be 270 degree, and this will be the 360 degree. Okay, so when we divide it half, means here it will be get 45 degree. Okay, here it will become 45 degree. Okay, so now we have to turn pattern according to 45 degree, means from here to here will be the 45 degree. Then again 45 degree it will become here, again 45 degree it will become here, again 45 degree it will become here. Okay, look here, look the pattern. This portion is coming is here, then here, then here, then here, and then here. So this is the turning of pattern 45 degrees. So these 4 rules, according to these 4 rules we have to turn the pattern. Now coming to the next one, you can see these are the examples. Okay, in here by which rule we have learned that by using that rule we have to turn these patterns. Okay, by using that rules we have to turn this pattern, and we have to write the name of the rule. For example, taking these 2 dots are here, when we will turn it will come here. What is happening here? Which rule is going on? That 45 degree turn. Okay, so in this way you have to write the here which rule applied here. Okay, in the each pattern. Look at here. This portion is here. What is going on? Look here, this portion is coming here, means if I told you one rule that turn up 45 degree, again turn up 45 degree, then it will be, this portion will come here in 45 degree, So this pattern will be correct. And what will be the rule of this pattern? Repeat it with a 45-degree turn each time. In this way, this one also you have to solve with the rule. Okay, and which rule is going on, you have to write. Look at here, this color is here in the first step. In the next step, what happened? This color is here. In the next step, this color is here, and in the next step, this color will be come to here. We can see here. So this will be the correct answer. And which rule will apply here? That is total number of parts 4, and out of 4 part, 1 part is going turn. So repeat it with 1/4 turn. Okay, clockwise. Same you have to do. Write the rule, and you have to select the correct pattern in the next step. Here also you have to choose correct pattern in the next step. Now here mark the picture which is breaking the rule. Also correct the picture. You can see here which picture is breaking the rule. We can see this red dot is here. In the next step, red dot is downside. Again red dot is upside. Again red dot is downside, upside. But in the next step, what should happen? This red dot should be in the downside, but it is upside. So this picture is breaking the rule of the pattern. Okay, you can see this is umbrella. Umbrella is first of all you can see in this direction. In the next one, it is downward direction. Here this direction. Here upside direction. Here upside direction, means pattern is going on correctly. But here you can see it should be in downside, but it is in upside. So what will be the correct pattern? That umbrella should be like in this shape in the next pattern. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Now look at here, magic square. Next topic is your magic square. What is magic square? Now look here. First of all, read out this. Fill the square using all the numbers from 46 to 54. Means using all the numbers we have to fill this box. Means we have to fill here numbers, but all number. And rule is the total of each line is 150. Okay, total of each line should be 150. So there are 4 numbers are already written. Okay, 46, 47. So you can see we need a 150 addition. So you can see here 52 plus 47, 52 plus 47, 2 plus 7, 9, and 5 plus 4, 9. So how much we should add to get total 150? So we have to add 51. So we will get 150. Okay, so here will be 51. Now look at here, check here, 46 done, 47 also done, 48 left. Suppose we write here 48. So 48 plus 46. Look at here, 48 plus 46, 94. So which number we need that to complete the number? We need 56 to get 150, but 56 is not in here, so we cannot use 48. So we will use 47. I forgot it. 49. It is done. Suppose we will add 50 to 96. 46 plus 50, 96, and 96 plus 54, it will be 150. Okay, now 2 number left, that is 46, 47. Here will be 48, 49 already is here, and we will write 51 done, 50, 51 done, 52 done, and here will be 53. Now you can check this row, and this row. Add this row, you will get 150 as your answer. Okay, So in this way each row should be addition should be 150. Okay, same way you have to do this is here for practice. Now next one is magic square. Now you can see here two girls. One girl is asking that can I quickly find the total of this box. You can see here one box is given, so how to find quickly answer of this box. So what you have to do, we have to take smallest number. So smallest number in this box is 3 and you have to add 8 in it. Okay, when you add 3 plus 8 you will get answer 11, and the next step is you have to multiply by 9. So 11 9 ja 99. So total of this box will be 99. So in this way you can find out the quickly answer. In this way you can find out quickly answer. Okay, now taking another example. Look at here. In this box what we have to do, look at here. First of all I want to tell you, we have to take 3 by 3 box here to find out the quick answer. Look at here, 3 by 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so in the next one you can see here what was the first step. We have to choose smallest number. Smallest number is 1. Then we have to add 8 in that number. We will get 1 plus 8 9. Then multiply by 9. Next step, so 9 9 ja 81. So total of this box is 81. So first step is that we have to add 8, and next step is you have to multiply by 9. You will get the total of that box. Okay, so thank you very much.